Imagine a world where projects adapt seamlessly to change. Traditional methods often falter under unpredictability, but Agile thrives. Companies worldwide are embracing Agile for its flexibility, leading to more successful project outcomes. Agile's adaptability addresses the limitations of rigid project management. By focusing on iterative progress and customer feedback, Agile ensures projects remain aligned with evolving needs. This shift is transforming industries, making Agile a preferred choice. Agile is built on 12 guiding principles, emphasizing customer collaboration and responsiveness to change. These principles foster a culture of continuous improvement and sustainable development, ensuring projects deliver real value. By promoting frequent delivery and open communication, Agile empowers teams to adapt quickly. This approach not only enhances productivity, but also strengthens team dynamics, leading to more innovative solutions. Meet the key players in Agile: the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. Each role is crucial, ensuring projects run smoothly and efficiently with clear responsibilities and goals. Agile ceremonies like sprint planning, daily stand-ups, and retrospectives are vital. They provide structure, encourage collaboration, and drive project success by keeping teams aligned and focused on objectives. Transitioning to Agile requires a step-by-step approach. Start by educating your team on Agile principles, then gradually integrate practices like sprints and retrospectives. Real-world examples highlight Agile's transformative power. Overcoming challenges in Agile adoption is key. Encourage open communication and flexibility. By embracing Agile, your team can achieve greater efficiency and innovation. Let's embark on this journey together.